Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to tackle a serious and timely topic: how to manage your finances during periods of war and significant geopolitical conflict. It's natural to feel anxious when you see global events unfolding, especially when they start impacting the economy. But making rash decisions based on fear is often the worst thing you can do for your financial health. So let's take a deep breath and walk through some practical, level-headed strategies to navigate these uncertain times. First and foremost, let's talk about market volatility. When conflicts arise, stock markets often react with sharp, sudden movements. You'll see dramatic headlines and scary-looking charts. The key here is to remember that markets have historically been resilient. While wars do create short-term shocks, history shows us that markets tend to recover and continue their upward trend over the long run. The impulse to sell everything and run for the hills is strong, but this is what we call panic selling. Selling in a downturn locks in your losses and means you'll miss the eventual rebound. It's like jumping off a roller coaster in the middle of a dip. You miss the climb back up, so the first rule is don't panic. Stick to your long-term investment plan. If you believed in your investments before, the fundamental reasons probably haven't disappeared overnight. This leads directly to my next point: maintaining a long-term perspective. Successful investing isn't about timing the market perfectly, it's about time in the market. The world has gone through countless crises, and through it all, disciplined investors who stayed the course have generally been rewarded. Instead of reacting to daily news, use this time to review your overall strategy. Are you comfortable with your level of risk? Is your portfolio well diversified? Speaking of diversification, it's more important now than ever. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spreading your investments across different asset classes and industries can help cushion the blow from a downturn in any single area. Now, let's discuss safe haven assets. When stocks feel risky, investors often flock to assets perceived as more stable. The most classic example is gold. For thousands of years, gold has been seen as a store of value. Another key safe haven asset is government bonds, particularly those from stable economies like U.S. Treasury bonds. However, before you even think about gold or bonds, there's a more critical asset you need to secure: cash. This is where your emergency fund comes in. In times of conflict, it becomes absolutely non-negotiable. An emergency fund is your personal financial firewall. It's 3 to 6 months worth of essential living expenses. If you don't have an emergency fund, building one should be your #1 priority right now. Conflict can lead to inflation and supply chain disruptions. Take a look at your budget. Where is your money going? Are there areas where you can trim spending? This isn't about depriving yourself, it's about being strategic. Another strategy to consider is dollar cost averaging. This means investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals. During a downturn, your fixed investment buys more shares because prices are lower. This positions you for greater gains when the market recovers. Stay informed, but from the right sources. Constant exposure to sensationalist headlines will only fuel anxiety. Instead, rely on reputable financial news outlets, read analyses from trusted economists, and consider working with a financial advisor. Finally, remember to take care of yourself. Financial stress is real, and it's amplified during times of global crisis. Your mental and physical health are your most valuable assets. Don't let stress consume you. To sum it all up, don't panic sell. Ensure your emergency fund is fully funded. Review your portfolio for diversification. By following these calm, rational steps, you can protect your financial future and navigate this period of uncertainty with confidence. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing.